morning, students. Today we will start chapter number 6 of ninth class. Name of this chapter is Line and Angles. Already we study basic of this chapter in 8th class, but in spite of this we will revise the basic, then we will start solving the questions of different exercise. So in this chapter we are having only 3 exercise, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. So name of this chapter, Line and Angles. So let's start with the basic of first exercise. So first we will study line. Any straight figure which can be extended in both the directions is called the line. Then ray. Any straight figure which can extend in one direction and on other side we are having one end point is called the ray. Then line segment. Any part of line with two end point, one end point A, other is B, is called the line segment. So line which can extend in both direction, ray which can extend in one direction, we are having one end point, line segment, any part of line with two end points. So these three you have to study in the beginning of this exercise. Then we come to this angles. First we study basic of line. This is the basic of line. Then we come to the angles. So angle, any figure which made by two rays. This is first ray, this is second ray, and then this figure is called the angle. Again I am revising the definition. Any figure which can made by two rays with same initial point. दोनों रेज का इनिशियल पॉइंट या स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट सेम होना चाहिए, तो उस फिगर को हम क्या कहेंगे? Now we will study types of angles. So we are having different type of angle. First, zero angle. नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, that angle whose value is zero is called the zero angle. जैसे मैंने किसी एंगल को x मान लिया, उसकी वैल्यू जीरो है, तो इसको क्या कहेंगे? जीरो एंगल. Then acute angle. If value of any angle, suppose I take angle x, if value of any angle greater than 0 but less than 90 is called the acute angle. Then right angle, if value of any angle is 90, I just take x equal to 90, then this angle is called the right angle. So zero angle whose value is 0, acute angle, that angle which is greater than 0 but less than 90, then right angle, that angle whose value is 90 is called the right angle. Now we are having some more types of angles. Next type of angle is obtuse angle. That angle whose value is greater than 90 but less than 180 is called the obtuse angle. Then straight angle. नाम से पता चल रहा है straight जो सीधा है, means any angle whose value is 180 degree is called the straight angle. Then reflex angle, any angle whose value is more than 180 but less than 360 is called the reflex angle. Then complete angle, any angle whose value is 360 degree is called the complete angle. Again we will revise angle and its type. Angle is that figure which is made by two rays with same initial point is called the angle. Then types of angle, first type zero angle whose value is 0. Second, acute angle, that angle whose value more than 0 but less than 90. Then right angle, that angle whose value is 90 degree. Then obtuse angle, that angle whose value more than 90 but less than 180. Then straight, that angle whose value is 180. Then reflex, that angle whose value more than 180 but less than 360. And then complete, that angle whose value is 360 degree is called the complete angle. So all these definitions you study in 8th class. So we start with line, ray, then line segment. These three, this is the meaning of line, and you can say some terms related to line. Then we study angle and its types. So generally we are having these 7 types of angle. Now these 2 points are really very important for solving the questions of first exercise. Linear pair, pair से आपको पता चल रहा है, pair का मतलब है double, जोड़ा. Suppose this is a line, straight line, and on this line we are having these 2 angle, then their sum will be 180. So this is called linear pair of angles. Suppose we are having more than 2 angle on a straight line, their sum is also 180, but one word will be extra here. What is that word? Axome. Means we will say linear pair axome. If only 2 angles are there, their sum is 180, we will say linear pair of angle. If angle are more than 2 on a straight line, their sum is also 180, but extra word is axome. Means we will write linear pair axome. Then vertically opposite angle. Suppose we are having these 2 lines. These 2 lines are intersecting at one point here. Then these opposite sides 1 and 3, 2 and 4, these are called vertically opposite angle, and they will be equal. Means angle 1 will be equal to angle 3, here you can see. Angle 2 will be equal to angle 4, here you can see. So these are called the vertically opposite angle. So linear pair of angle where sum of two angles is 180. If angles are more than 2, their sum also 180. But extra word will be exam, very important result for the first exercise. But this result will be used in 10th class also, and in 6.2 6.3 also this result will be used. Then vertically opposite where two lines intersect, then their opposite angle will be equal, and their name is vertically opposite angle. So before starting the first exercise, you must revise this basic. If you revise this basic, then there will be no problem in solving the question of first exercise. So again I am revising. First point, line, ray, line segment. Then second point, angle and its type. Third point, linear pair of angle. And fourth point, vertically opposite angle. So tomorrow we will start solving the question of first exercise. Thank you.